What's up guys, hope you're doing well. In today's video we are going to be talking about the all-new Pico 4 and its specifications. Pico announced its next generation VR headsets Pico 4 and Pico 4 Pro at a hybrid event in Berlin and streamed live on Thursday 22nd of September. In addition to completely redesigned headsets and controllers, the event featured new features and including system software, launch titles, apps and integrations, and more we will see. Pico CEO Henry Zoho addressed audience in person and at a distance to announce the long-awaited headphones that many people see as a possible escalation of a competition between Pico and Meta. Instead of competition, management places an emphasis on accessibility. The headset featured a 105 diagonal field of view, nearly 20-degree improvement over the Neo 3 and Quest 2, the 6 DOF touch-sensitive drivers. Pico's general manager for Europe, Middle East, and Asia, Leland Hedges, provided further details. Here are some of the major features and specifications of Pico 4. 295 gram is just over half a kilo. It's a bit suspicious that they gave the weight without the battery, which could be a significant contributor to the weight. This is particularly interesting as Leyland later described the battery as the biggest battery in the headphone category, while also advertising its fast charging capabilities. That said, the headset was a counterweight, and the pancake ops make the unit slimmer than any PDOF headset we've seen so far. Form factor only questioned by Vive Flow, a wellness-oriented 3DOF headphone with much less under the hood weight, and aesthetics aside, Hedges specified a resolution of 12,000 ppi and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. Hedges also introduced the completely redesigned Pico 4 drivers. Sensing ring rotates around the handle to prevent the controllers from colliding with each other when both hands get too close. Hedges also detailed a rather impressive sounding touch system, the new operating system, avatar system, exercise pack, and more. It just went on to describe an updated operating system. This included more thoughtful user interfaces and menu calls, as well as the kind of graphical redesign one might expect from a new operating system. However, it has also detailed some less anticipated and more exciting updates. For example, the new OS can handle 6 DOF manual interactions for apps when the driver might be in the way. The headset also offers color transfer to activate the AR. An updated avatar system also includes voice-activated lip sync for more engaging social interactions. There's also an avatar SDK, which makes it easy for creators to integrate Pico avatars into their creations. It wasn't the only creator-centric announcement. The app also has a special set of tools for creating and sharing VR content, as well as remote assistance and real-time screencasts. Next, Daniel Brony, Pico's European marketing director, unveiled a Pico Fitness app that looks and appears to act suspiciously similar to the Meta app. It has innovations like rankings and achievements and compatibility with Apple's health apps. There are also special fitness trackers in development and coming soon. Brony also announced Just Dance VR, which will arrive exclusively on Pico 4 thanks to a partnership with Ubisoft. Pico 4 also includes 2 launch titles: The Walking Dead Saints and Sinners Chapter 2 and Peaky Blinders, King's Ransom. Other game titles coming to the headset include Demento, Green Hell, Ultimax, and Puzzling Places. The launch also announced Pico Worlds, a lightweight social gaming platform that will arrive on headphones later this year. In addition to the VR headset, the VR controllers have also been completely redesigned and more elegant than those of the Nitro Pico Neo 3 Link. Track rings now run diagonally towards the wrist instead of protruding from the grip, allowing you to get the controllers closer without the ring tracks getting in the way. Also promises a more realistic tactical experience thanks to the new HyperSense engine. The controllers are powered by 2 replaceable AA batteries. The input options are almost the same as Meta's touch controllers. Each controller has an analog stick, 2 main buttons, a trigger button, and a grab button. Each of the Pico controllers has 2 system buttons, one of which is for screenshots. Hedges has reintroduced some additional features of the Pico 4 Pro, which will not require personally identifiable information to log in. Infrared cameras inside the earbuds allow automatic IPD adjustment and face detection for more expressive avatars. Hedges also outlined a developer incentive program. Though he promised more will be revealed at Pico's announcement next month at AWE Europe, No pricing was provided for the Neo 4 Pro, but prices for the standard Pico 4 were quoted at $415. That's just $15 more than the Quest 2. I'm afraid the price is via a currency converter. Again, Pico has not implemented customer support in the US. Although this headset has been available for pre-order in Europe since last Friday, there is still no public release date in other markets. Here's another noteworthy note. Pico's latest headphone was the Pico Neo 3. The Neo line was Pico's 6 DLF line, while they also had a 3 DLF line called the Goblin, or simply G line. The elimination of Neo suggests that Pico is all going for 6 DLF. And why shouldn't they, when they can pack such powerful specs into a lightweight, affordable headset? These are VR apps on the Pico store that cover gaming, fitness, video, and social media. VR games confirmed so far include Pesky Blinders, The King's Ransom, Ultimax, and The Walking Dead Saints and Sinners 2. So far, high-profile exclusive games like Meta's Resident Evil 4 are missing. Exclusive collaboration with Ubisoft could begin in 2023. Just Dance will be released on the Pico store. VR fitness enthusiasts can expect a built-in calorie tracker in Pico Fitness, an app that suggests training plans and analysis and tracks personal progress. Paid fitness apps include Les Mills Body Combat, All-in-One Summer Edition, and Creed Rise to Glory. Pico also promises innovative live music experiences, alongside Wave, and announces Pico Worlds, which is supposed to be kind of a Pro 2 metaverse. However, the selection of VR apps in the Pico store currently can't keep up with the Quest. The Pico 4 does not have a DisplayPort connection for native PC VR streaming. There is also no USB-C cable available for a streaming video signal. As a reason, Pico points to Pico Neo 3 Link, which is intended for gamers who want to play. For example, Steam VR games. The Pico 4 is designed exclusively for native mobile applications. In 2023, there should be a Wi-Fi dongle for direct streaming between PC and Pico 4. Pico didn't handle wireless streaming very well in the past, so switching to a dongle is a breeze. A Wi-Fi dongle for the Quest headphones is also expected soon. Since Pico 4 supports Wi-Fi 6, Pico's current Wi-Fi streaming could theoretically work if Pico's software allows it. The Pico 4 is available in two versions, 128GB 429 EUR or 256GB 499 EUR. Pre-orders will begin in October through online channels. The device will go on sale in Europe, Japan, and South Korea on October 18, 2022. Singapore and Malaysia will be. Pico Interactive does not currently provide details on when the headphones will go on sale in the US. The market is firmly in Meta's hands. ByteDance is also facing the threat of legal action in the United States. It is possible that Pico will test the release of the Pico 4 first in Europe and then expand to the United States, especially in Germany. Pico still has an edge as Meta Quest 2 is unofficially sold there. Pico 4 is expected to offer additional visual and facial tracking and will compete with the Quest Pro. It will be announced later this year, but will only be sold to companies and developers. Feedback on the device will be used to improve the VR headset and eventually sell it to home users in 2023. Pico may await the introduction of the Quest Pro on October 11, 2022, and will adjust pricing and marketing thereafter. With that being said, it's time to end today's video. Press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting stuff. Peace out!